If you do a lot of cabinetry in your workshop, then you know the value of a good mortising machine. Well, you've got a good mortising machine in your CNC router. Let me show you how. The first step I'm going to do is I'm going to let the router cut a light ghost image of a reference for a fence and the position of the mortise that I'd like to cut. Well, as you can see here, I have a fence screwed down into the pocket created by my machine, so I know this fence is accurately set. I also have placed a stop for the distance the mortise will be from the end of my workpiece. So, to set my workpiece against the fence, clamped in place, I'm ready to go.